How many are bare feet? Riddle. There are 12 kids in a classroom. 6 kids are wearing socks and 4 kids are wearing shoes. 3 kids are wearing boots. How many are barefoot? This is the answer to our riddle. We simply use the Venn diagram to simplify the given details. Here we have 2 circles. The circle for the socks, which is the orange color, and the circle for the shoes, which is the green color. And in the picture, you have seen that it is intersecting. Now, the tree inside the circle is the one who uses both the socks and the shoes. Therefore, in the socks, let us denote A as the number of kids using socks only, which is equal to 6 minus 3, which is equals to 3. On the other hand, let us denote B as the number of kids that uses shoes only, for B is equals to 4 minus 3, which is equals to 1. You know, the total number of kids is 12. So, the number of kids who are barefoot or not wearing boot is equals to 12 minus 3 plus 3 plus 1, or 12 minus 7, or it is equals to 5 kids.